thighs,
We love them thighs.
and a Ziploc bag. Now, I could just put the chicken in here and then dump all the marinade in, but our friend Jack sent in this little Zip Quick thing that it took me a minute to figure out. You ready? Check this out. Apparently he saw me struggling one
Not
day.
sponsored, by
Not
the way.
sponsored, by the way, at all. Open the bag. You put the edges over. Maybe it's a two-person thing. No, it's meant to be a one-person thing. Now look. Now you see what I've got? Now I've got a stand for this. So we'll take this. Oh, this is actually quite genius. My liquid marinade goes in. And now my chicken thighs. I've got almost 1.5 pounds here. So everybody just goes in, make sure they're all covered nicely. Open them up. They come like this rolled up. Just spread them out like that. More surface area against the marinade will make for a better piece of chicken. In the end, everybody nestled beautifully. I can tell you one of the advantages to this thing is not just helping you get everything in, but, wait for it, but what you haven't done is cucked up the sides of your zipper. Now they're nice and dry. So I like to do this, seal it up, spread it out, make sure everybody's beautifully covered. Now this whole mess goes in the fridge 2-3 hours.
All right.